Everybody will be wondering how will be the structure of the earthen layers when you find water under the ground. Somebody will be thinking like it may be a tunnel, somebody may be thinking like it's a flowing river, but it's not like that. It will be fractured zone of rocks. Rocks will be fractured and they will have ways for the water, like I show here. You see, after touching the water table level, when you find such structures, see, there will be like, you will feel as if stones are cut and arranged in a size, in a different size. So in these gaps, like these gaps, water will be flowing under the ground. And when you put a bore well in it, if you find water, and after finding water, if you find such big stones coming out from the borewell, then you will find abundant water. See, these are the places where water has flown for generations together. Like, see, this is the structure of the stone where the water has flown for generations and generations, but at this level there is no water now. Water has gone to a long depth, very deep. So when you find this type of structure after finding water, means after touching the groundwater table, if you find this type of structures under the ground, of course you cannot see it under the ground, but this is the place where the water will be flowing like this. It will not be, there will be tunnel, but that's very rare. But generally when you put a bore well, you will find water in this type of layers. See, you can see here, they will be as if small stones are arranged in a particular manner, but when you drill it, as the bore rig, as the hammer touches it, big stones come out. That's why when you find big stones, there will be good quantity of water. If there is a big rock, then it will, only the powder type of material will be coming out from the bore well. So there the chances of water are very less. So in this type of places you will find large quantity of water. You can see here, these are all the places where the water has flown for generations and generations together. See, as if some different size of stones are arranged in a very vague manner. You can see here also. See, this is the place. If the water was in this depth, this is the place where you will find water in the bore wells. When you put a rig and after touching the water table, if this type of structure comes, then there will be abundant quantity of water. I will show you one more place. See, this is also a place where you can see the rocks as if they are made into small pieces and arranged in a manner like this. This is the place where the water has flown for generations together, where we have emptied water for last 50-60 years abundantly, and we have to find a way to recharge these dried gaps. You have to divert rivers and big flowing canals into the ground through borewells, then only water can be recharged. Thank you. Thanks for watching. This is for your information. This is where you find water under the ground.